Don't borrow money for the following reasons. Number one, mangutang ng pera para mag-shopping. You are enjoying it now because you get the item, meron kang instant gratification. The consequence will come after, especially if you cannot pay for it. Pangalawa, huwag kang mangungutang ng pera para sa mga luho. Kasama na dito yung mga inom, yung paninigarilyo, yung sabong, yung gambling. Because if you're going to borrow money for that, madali lang maubos yung pera mo compared to you winning in that particular thing. And masya ka lang, hala, saan napunta yung pera? Pangatlo, do not borrow money for traveling. Ito nga, minsan nakakainis, di ba? May nakita tayong post from someone na nakalagay doon, travel to Japan, #bless. Pero alam natin, yung perang ginastos niya doon ay nanggagaling sa iyo kasi ikaw yung nagpautang, di ba? Or kaya alam mo na nangutang siya, baon siya sa utang, tapos #blessed pa talaga. People want to have this perception that they live a good life, but in reality, they're really having financial problems. Pang-apat, do not borrow money for celebrations. Malapit ng holiday season natin, di ba? Christmas. Meron tayong mga celebrations with our family, pero wala siguro tayong ipon for whatever reason. Ikaw, ayaw mo ring mapahiya. Instead of paying it, coming from your income or coming from your savings, kasi nga you were able to save up for it, sana ang ginawa mo, since wala ka talagang pera, nangutang ka kasi ayaw mong mapahiya. Celebrations should be celebrated responsibly. So kung meron ka talagang pera na inipon mo for the past how many months, para pagdating ng Christmas, meron kang pera pang gastos, pang regalo mo sa pamangkin mo, pang regalo mo sa anak mo, sa family mo, etc., then okay lang yun. Kasi nga, pinag-ipunan mo yun eh.